My name is Pete, and today I'm going to show you how I made this campground shower for about 30 bucks.
So I went camping over the weekend, and while I was there, I really wanted a shower, and I had a shower bag with me, and it was okay, but kind of felt like I can do better. So today we are going to make a shower out of a weed sprayer. Alright, I am back from shopping. I had to stop at two places. First place I went was Harbor Freight, where I got this 2-gallon weed sprayer. It's the cheapest place I found to buy one. That cost me about 16 bucks, but they didn't have the other items I needed. So I went to Menards and I picked up this side sprayer for a kitchen sink, and this will not fit directly onto the weed sprayer, so I had to buy this adapter, which you can't see through. There we go. That adapter. I did open it up in the store and make sure everything fit. So now what I have to do is assemble all of this and make sure it's going to work. Alright, it's that simple. Let's get some water in there and see if it works. Alright, 2 gallons of water, gotta pump it up. Alright. Alright, so I filled it back up to 2 gallons because now that I know it works, I want to know how long the water's going to last. And go. Aww. So that's it. For about 30 bucks, I can now shower at campgrounds that don't have showers.